be a steel drum concert, and they have breakfast here too. Oh wow, check this out. Look at all the food. Wow. This is incredible. It's going to be a nice concert, I think. And it's all for the young at heart.
That has real good coffee and homemade treats. So if you want to go to a good Bible study, just get with me and I'll show you the best one to go to.